In recent years, we've seen some crazy bridge collapses. But what makes these bridges collapse? And how do bridges survive earthquakes? One thing that helps bridges survive earthquakes are seismic bearings. These are essentially springs that allow the bridge to bend up and down. If a bridge is too rigid and an earthquake occurs, the energy from the earthquake will cause the bridge to crack and eventually collapse. But if the bridge is designed with seismic bearings, the bearings will absorb the energy of the earthquake instead of the bridge deck. This allows the bridge to move with the earthquake and not break. Another thing that helps bridges survive earthquakes are flexible columns. These are columns that are designed to bend without breaking. They're usually made of steel or concrete, and they're used in place of rigid columns. Again, if a bridge is too rigid, it'll break during an earthquake. But if it's designed with flexible columns, the columns will absorb the energy of the earthquake instead of the bridge deck. A third thing that helps bridges survive earthquakes are expansion joints. These are gaps that are left in between bridge components. They allow the bridge to expand and contract with changes in temperature, and they also allow the bridge to move with an earthquake. Without expansion joints, a bridge can become brittle and more likely to crack and collapse. Expansion joints are something that we take for granted, but they're actually really important for the stability of a bridge. We're always looking at ways to improve the seismic performance of bridges. One way that we're doing this is by using smarter materials. For example, we're developing new types of concrete that are more resistant to earthquakes. We're also developing new types of steel that can better absorb the energy of an earthquake. Another way that we're improving the seismic performance of bridges is by using more efficient designs. For example, we're using computer models to design bridges that are more flexible, which allows them to better withstand earthquakes. We're also developing new construction techniques that make it easier to build bridges with seismic bearings, flexible columns, and expansion joints. By using these techniques, we can build bridges that are more resilient to earthquakes, which can save lives and reduce damage to infrastructure. So next time you're on a bridge, take a moment to appreciate all the hard work that went into making sure it is safe and sturdy. And remember, smart design saves lives. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. Also, be sure to check out our website for more information on bridge engineering.